I liked about how we saw the differences of sound in the high frequency and low frequencies, so we could see those and compare to others.
What I liked about it is when they go in the water and see the, you can hear the whales communicating in high frequency, and that when you get it on audio that you can't really hear it, and that's cool.
I really liked the part when it talked about when it was comparing 2008 to 2015, how in 2008 there was a lot more vibrations and noise on the audio than in 2015, where there wasn't as much, because I think the loggers, they're chopping down too many trees and it's making all the animals go someplace else or disappearing.
I like the part with the bat, how it can hear so much better than us, and it uses echolocation to find its food, and to the human ear we can't hear it at all.
It was very informative, very detailed. It gave lots of real life and relevant information that the students were interested in. It had a really good balance of live interaction and technology interaction. Students learned a lot about a new type of science called soundscape ecology that they didn't know about before, and how learning and studying sounds can teach us about ecosystems, the ecosystem's health, and the direction our planet's going in.